Hi guys, it's ASBYT, and this might quite possibly be one of the smartest smart home camera setups the world has ever seen. Slightly dramatic, but it's pretty good. And we'll get to all the reasons why. This is the Blink XT2, and it's actually been released under the Amazon umbrella. So now it's time to show you what happened in the quick unboxing, and then I'm going to review all of the features. So how can they provide a product that's so smart and so easy to use for just £99? Well, let's find out. Let's get straight to it. Right, so this is the actual retail box on the desk here. And as you can see on the front, we have two camera setups. And I think you can actually get this with just one camera as well. Completely up to you, of course, that will be cheaper. And on the retail box, we've got a little bit of information. We've got two-way audio. We've got 2-year battery life, which is insane. And we'll get to battery life because you don't even have to cable this bad boy up. It's simply pretty much plug and play, so to speak. We've got day and night HD coverage, and it works with Amazon Alexa as well. Easy self-install means you can place or mount your wire-free Blink cameras around your home, both inside and out. And then if we flip to the back, there's just another couple of things. No monthly contracts, obviously you don't have to pay anyone once you make this first purchase, and customizable motion detection as well. And your phone actually gets alerted, which is great. And as you can see, there's a picture of a wet looking camera. The cameras are weatherproof with an IP65 rating. Right, so inside we have not only the two main cameras, we have the sort of main hub, which you'll connect the two cameras to. We have the charger, charging cable, batteries for the actual cameras. And as stated, you'll get up to 2 years battery life, but you can also wire them as well through the micro USB port on the back as well, if you don't want to ever have to change the batteries. So if you want to put it on a front porch or your gate, for example, then again, you're going to be fine. There's also some mounts and screws if you do want to actually fix one of them in place. But like I said, one of the beauties of these is that they are portable. So that's pretty much everything in the box. Now what we want to do is actually connect it to our smartphone, because this is another beauty of this device. You can actually have all of the footage connect straight to your smartphone. So if you get a motion detection alert, or you want to check on a specific room or check the outside front door, you can go straight to the Blink app on your phone. So once we download the Blink app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store, you plug in your main hub and follow all of the instructions that the actual app provides. So you'll scan the code on the back of the hub to connect it to your phone, and then you want to add the cameras as well. Once you are all set up, if you decide you want to change it to another Wi-Fi, another location, for example, there is a reset button on the side next to the USB port. Inside the app, there's a button on the left, which gives you a live feed. This runs for about 30 seconds or so. The live feed then drops so it doesn't drain the battery so much. And you can also get a snapshot using the right-hand button as well. Now there are microphones on the cameras, and you can also use the microphone on your smartphone, so you can actually have a two-way conversation. So this is great if you're upstairs and you can't be bothered to go down the stairs and actually speak to somebody face to face. Do it through a screen, why not? It's 2020, nearly. Face-to-face communication is important at times as well though. And the same if you have the camera on the outside of your building and you want to have a two-way conversation with somebody, i.e. the postman, you can do that. Now, speaking of somebody being in a different room or outside, this setup actually has motion detection as well. So if it registers somebody moving outside your house or in another room on a separate camera, in the designated area that you select in what's known as activity zones, you can have it send alerts to your phone. And when Blink actually detects motion, it will immediately send you a push notification alert with that video to your smartphone. So you don't just get an alert, you actually get the video as well. So it's instant and you know exactly what's going on. Now what this isn't is a live feed recording service, so it won't just record forever and ever and ever, but you can, using cloud storage, keep hundreds of clips stored for up to a year with no additional fees. Now because this has been released under the Amazon umbrella, it does have a great feature where you can use Alexa with it. So you can actually turn on and off those alerts using Alexa. And you can actually view the camera live streams as well through Alexa enabled devices. As stated, it's got day and night coverage, so you can record and view up to 1080p HD video during the day and infrared HD night vision as soon as the sun goes down. So because Halloween's just passed, if you want to check out the Ghouls and Goblins After Dark, bit of thriller action. What's that? It's meant to be my MJ. If you want to see what's going on after dark, when the lights are out, you can do that using the infrared, and I'll never dance like that ever again. So I think all in all, for £99, when you compare it to other home security setups that have to be wired in, you have to have large computers, large hard drives for all the storage, and possible payments after the main initial large sum of a payment, I think this is a really, really good product. I've always been interested in setting up my house with that sort of home security network, but I've never wanted that full wired in, large scale sort of system. And I think this is a really affordable, happy medium. And in terms of where you can get it from, I think it's available. Let me just check. Amazon, Argos, Currys, PC World, John Lewis, Screwfix, and Very as well. And that is very good. Oh, that's a bad one. That's really bad. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Is this something you've been looking for? What do you think about the price compared to what you get? And as always, if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, smash that like button, because apparently it helps, and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time. Not notified as in with dancing videos in the dark that you'll get on Blink, but notified every time I post a video on anything tech, news, unboxings, reviews. I'll love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.